What's up, people? Just getting in from work. Got a call earlier that my kicks came in the mail. I was trying to wait for them before I stepped out the house, but you know what I mean, duty calls, so I had to go to work. Knew they was coming. So I know it's been a while since I did an unboxing. Busy with work, personal issues and shit like that. Podcast, life. Y'all know what I mean. But I was really pressed to get these joints. Y'all already know what it is, so I'm sure y'all looked at that thumbnail. Y'all seen what it is I'm unboxing. And of course, going to show y'all my joints. I ain't gonna do all of what everybody else usually do online. I'm thinking it's, in my opinion, it's goofy. But to each his own. I watched some of those goofy videos. Shout out to you. Those who make them videos I watch. Shout out to Unbreakable Kicks. I like homie. Here we go. I don't know. I don't get the same feel when I see it, but I mean, I like the colorway. I have the perfect polo, Ralph Lauren polo sweatsuit that's going to go with this. I was hoping it was going to come today because I wanted to rock this to work today, but show off my shit. But I'm going to rock it tomorrow. I might even put some pics on there, show you how I look on feet, how I hook it up and shit. I even got the bucket hat. Going all out with this tomorrow. There we go. I'm not gonna make this video long and talk shit. You know what I'm saying? I know people can do that. Okay. I'm satisfied, of course. As you've heard me say in countless videos, 3s and 4s are my favorites. It was the first pair, the 3s were the first pair I ever purchased on my own. I go way back with it, so I guess you could say I'm old school when it comes to the Jordan, especially the early numbers. I do like this. I ain't gonna front. When I tell you this is perfect for my polo sweatsuit that I have, I literally have a red, white, navy blue jacket. I have the pants to go with it. And like I said, I even bought a bucket hat to go with it. So this is gonna be perfect. Got the sweatshirt, so I'm just gonna be poloed out tomorrow with my J's on, of course. Knowing no more than what everybody else is doing, just showcasing them. Tell me what y'all think. Did y'all hit? I heard a lot of shit going on. Of course, you already know what I did. You know who I ordered mine through. It's reliable for me and it's easier. Again, I work nights. Work night at the club. So I don't have the luxury of getting up early in the morning. I don't have the time to go out, do the raffles and none of that stuff because, you know, and then they wait. The only thing I don't like about the raffles, I wish they did this early in the week. If they give them out like on a Sunday or Monday and let you know something by Tuesday at least. Give you time to try to, you know, all that. I guess I am getting older, you feel me? Because all that running around I used to do for kicks back in the day, I don't want to do it no more. I don't want to do it no more. So I don't mind paying a little extra. I mean, I paid a little over $300 on GOAT. And I've been watching how the price has been dropping. Usually what I normally do, I wait. And I got these pretty fast. I'm going to keep it a buck. That's one thing I like about GOAT. They have the verified ones, I guess they at their warehouse. It costs a little more, but then I don't mind it. I ordered them on Saturday night, actually, when I was at work DJing, and I had a little break in my little DJ set, and I thought it just popped in my head, so I said, let me go ahead and do this shit now. Boom, boom. And here it is, November 1st. I did them on Saturday, which was the 29th. I got them yesterday. So that's not bad. Got them at the door. I ain't got to go go through all that bullshit you know, stand in line or got to be there at a certain time to get it. I'll pay the extra money. I don't mind it if it's for something that I really want. Well, I do want to discuss what y'all thinking about those the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. Are y'all going to cop them? I'm seriously thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it. I'm not going to go out of my way for it, and I'm not going to pay no crazy resale prices for it. Now, this is weird because I did hear them say, Nike said something about they was going to every retail spot is going to get them, even the mom and pop spots. Now, across the street and crossing down from my job is a little store called the Tennis Shoe Warehouse. Been there for years. They used to have a couple of them around the city. I think the one, I'm in Baltimore, so I'm in Fells Point where I work. Right on Broadway and Fleet Street. If y'all in Baltimore, you familiar with the area, but it's a spot called Tennis Shoe Warehouse. Now, they be having like a lot of old school vintage shit in there, but they do get a couple pair of Jordan 1s here and there, depending on what's released. They got a direct line to Nike. I actually talked to the store owner. I showed him a picture of the Lost and Founds. He's saying they're going to get them, which makes sense. I'm hearing that Nike got about 500,000 pairs that they're going to make available to everybody, and everybody going through all this crazy shit. That's going to be my creep spot. I'm putting y'all down with it. So if you're in Baltimore and you happen to be in Fells Point, go down to the Tennis Shoe Warehouses right there on the corner of Broadway and Fleet Street. And my man, and now these right here, he's going to have them this Friday. So he didn't get them on the release day, but he told my man, one of my door guy that I work with, he was supposed to been trying to get them. He lost out on the raffle, but he talked to the owner today, and he told me that dude said he gonna have these in there on Friday. Now I ain't gonna lie, had I known that earlier, I probably would have just waited to save me a couple bucks. But he do got a couple pair of Jordan 1s still sitting on the shelf. I bought my True Blue Jordan 3s out of there. And my barber is literally right on the side on Fleet Street, literally around the corner. As soon as you make that left, my barber is right there. So I'm familiar with this place. This place been there for years. I'm talking about if you like old school felines and shit like that, they got all that shit in there. But like I said, every now and then you'll see them, and like they don't have a big crazy selection of kicks. They just got Nikes. But you know, and felines of course. But I'm talking about as far as like fresh brand new joints. Timberland boots, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I happened to walk past there coming from the barbershop back in the day when the True Blues was coming out, and they had them just sitting there, just sitting. Them shit sold out everywhere else, and they had them sitting there. I went and got them. So I will say this: if they do get them, I'll go in there and pay the retail. I'm not going to pay resale for them. I'm not a fan of the vintage look. Knowing me, I'm going to take some dye, that black part on the top part of the shoe that looks cracked. I'm going to dye that shit black. And I'm hearing that the white part of the shoe is going to have some cracks looks to it too. So I got some paint. I'm going to touch that shit up. I'm going to make that shit look new. I'm not a fan of the vintage look. If I'm going to spend that much money on a pair of Jordan 1s, they better be the original ones. And they better be fresh. But that's just me. I don't know what y'all think about that. And let me know what y'all think about these Midnight Navies for real. And you know, I know I'm slow on the road as far as copping new kicks, but like I said, I got a lot going on. Holidays getting ready to pop off. I'm getting married, so I've been saving bread for real. But I still, every now and then, I still treat myself. But it's your boy Bishop the DJ. Just wanted to showcase my joints. I'm gonna continue to do that. And yeah, let's spark some conversation in the down in the comments, all right? Y'all have a good one. Stay safe. R.I.P. to my man Takeoff. I know y'all heard about that shit. That shit hurt. That shit's sad. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to leave it out on that note. And y'all stay safe.